Hello, Popcorn Veneers. I am so excited. Let me tell you, I got my spare veneers. Oh my God! Oh my God! Let me tell you, I am so excited. And I thought I'd share this tutorial with you so we both can see exactly what my new smile looks like with the Hollywood white. Let me tell you something. When I decided to go on this new smile journey, I did not know where this would take me. I honestly didn't. I just wanted to see what my teeth would look like with my gap enclosed. And it's been one incredible ride, and it still is. It definitely is. Let's just recap everything we've done together. Now we have our naturals. Yeah. And we have this incredible mold here. You know, I still don't know how you guys do this. Look at that. It's just a mold of my teeth, but I mean, I just don't know how you do it, but the way you create beautiful smiles, it's just incredible. Now, on my journey, I've got accustomed to using the fresh foam. I like the strawberry one. The strawberry one, it tastes very good. I mean, the peroxide in it really does help my teeth. It helps the veneers because I also eat with my veneers and I don't have a problem with it at all. So I've definitely come accustomed to this. And the extra strength retainer cleaner, this is very good. This definitely does kill 99.9% of the bacteria and it removes all the stains. All the stains. And if you eat with your veneers, yeah, it's easy to do. Very easy to do. And last, but certainly not least, hooray! My Hollywood whites. I cannot believe it. I cannot believe it. You know, I just wanted to try one pair, but here we are with two, you know. I mean, this is still a shock to me. My smile has incredibly changed my life forever. I am more confident. Let me tell you, I get so many compliments, and I just feel so well put together. So well put together. So I thought we'd do this together. Why not? Now, welcome to the Hollywood White Club with Popcorn Veneers. Look how easy that is. Now, let's do the bottom. Oh my God! Oh my God! Look at it. Just a beautiful smile. A beautiful smile. I'm just excited for the next chapter with Popcorn Veneers because, as I told you before, you guys have given me the smile I've always wanted, and I am so grateful for you. You are definitely the real deal, and I am so proud to be part of the Popcorn family. Until next time, let's smile together.